Hello everyone, welcome to this video where I will show you how to integrate OpenAI's Whisper API with Salesforce to transcribe speech from audio files. In some cases, customers may receive voicemails, or we might have unstructured sound files stored in Salesforce. Instead of manually listening to and typing out these recordings, we can automate the transcription process using AI. This solution does not use OpenAI's zero retention policy or data masking like Salesforce Agentforce. Before using this solution, make sure to check it with your legal department to ensure compliance with data privacy regulations. To demonstrate, I have created a sample sound file here, and I will go over how to extract text from it using OpenAI. The first step is, of course, creating API key from OpenAI. This key allows us to communicate with the Whisper API, which will handle the speech-to-text conversion. I have already set up an API key, but if you want to create a key, first you go to your profile, click API keys, create a new secret key, and give it a name. But of course, make sure you store yours securely and never expose it in the client-side code. The next step is named credentials. We need to set up the named credentials. I created OpenAI and OpenAI external credential. This ensures we can make secure API callouts without hard coding sensitive credentials in Apex. I won't go into much detail here, but if you are working on integrations, they are a great way to manage authentication securely. Now let's take a look at the code. And I have a controller class here. It calls the orchestration class speech to service. This class fetches the content versions from the repository, then determines the content type, generates the boundary, and then performs the callout by calling integration service. Integration service class first builds, constructs a multi-part form data request needed for OpenAI's Whisper API. And then it receives and returns the transcribed text. So here now it is the demo time. I'm on the case record. I will click this button here, and behind the scenes Salesforce will send audio file to OpenAI, which will analyze the speech and return a text transcription. Let's see how it works. Now I click the extract text button. Yes, here, hello, I am disputing invoice. The amount billed seems incorrect. Please review and advise. Thank you. Yeah, before we wrap up, let's talk about the costs. OpenAI Whisper API charges based on audio duration rather than file size. And if I go to usage, I can see that I have already made 12 requests and 313 seconds, and the total cost is $0.03. So if you are dealing with high volume of transcriptions, make sure to track usage and optimize it when necessary. That's it for today's demo. If you found this video helpful, feel free to connect with me, drop a comment, and we can get in touch if you have similar projects. So thank you.